Hello everyone, welcome back. As I told you in the last lecture, today I am going to explain you the extraordinary amazing concepts of derivatives of implicit function. Derivatives of implicit function. Look, I am going to teach you only important type of sums for MST CET 2021 because we lack in time. So this sum is the most expected sum, very important. If ax square 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, show that dy by dx is y upon x and d2y by dx square is 0. Solution. Common solution. Ax square 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Now, this is a special sum. What happens? Students start differentiating, and finally they find कि they get nothing. This is a special sum. अगर आप डिफरेंशिएट करते जाओगे कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है. Look, ये आंसर लाना है हमको. This is a special sum. Require some special skill. Now, the logic is here. If you differentiate directly, you will not get the required part. So the logic is here. Look, this is the main step. This is the main step. 2hxy you write as hxy plus hxy. 2hxy you write as hxy plus hxy. Now, look. First two term, what is common? X. Ax plus hy. Second last two terms, what is common? Y. Hx plus dy equal to 0. Therefore, rearranging the terms properly, you have y upon x equal to minus ax plus hy upon hx plus by. Call this as equation 1. Look, I told you this is a special sum. Now, look at the main equation again. Differentiate. 2ax 2h. Now x into y. Function into function, function into function, u into v, u into derivative of v, v into derivative of u. So it is x dy by dx plus y into derivative of x, that is 1, plus 2by dy by dx equal to 0. Now look, 2, common, cut. So you have ax, hx dy by dx plus hy plus by dy by dx equal to 0. Collecting the terms of dy by dx together, dy by dx. So it is hx plus by, and remaining term you shift on other side. So it is minus ax plus hy. Therefore, dy by dx equal to minus ax plus hy upon hx plus by. Call this as 2. Call this as 2. Now look, from 1 and 2. From 2 and 1. This equal to this and this equal to this. Matlab, this equal to this. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Very important. Look, now you got the proof. First one. Now second part. Now you need to show d2y by dx square is 0. d2y by dx square means differentiating dy by dx again with respect to x. differentiate again. So now you have d2y by dx square equal to, so it is of the type u by v. So here we'll apply the quotient rule. U into derivative of v minus look denominator derivative of numerator minus numerator derivative of denominator upon v square upon x square. But what is all of dy by dx? dy by dx is y upon x. Substitute here. Cut. By. So answer is 0. Hence proved. So look, this is a special sum, so I have given the complete solution. Now you will tell, sir, you are teaching shortcut of MSTCD 2021. If you do like this, what you will find? You are sitting alone in the classroom. CET, you must get answer in 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, on an average 30 seconds. तो फिर ऐसा भी क्यों करने का? Only my extraordinary student can do this type of sum. Only my student can do this type of sum in 10 seconds. Otherwise, look, this is very tricky sum. तो ऐसा भी क्यों करने का? नंबर ऑफ टेक्स्ट बुक दे, गिव द शॉर्टकट. इतना फॉर्मूला आ रहे हो, फॉर्मूला मतलब एक बुक हो गया. कौन याद रखते बैठेगा उतना फॉर्मूला? लो, you have to remember the concept, the extraordinary concept that nobody knows. How to get answer of this type of sum in 10 seconds? You will not believe कि answer 10 seconds में आ जाएगा. Extraordinary. So look, those who have studied well, look at the main equation. Look at the main equation. Look at the main equation. ध्यान से देखो यहाँ पे. This represent pair of straight line. This represent pair of straight line passing through origin. This represent pair of straight line passing through origin. What is the equation of straight line passing through origin? Y equal to mx. मतलब actually this represent two lines passing through origin. So each equation is of the type y equal to mx. Now differentiate. dy by dx equal to m. dy by dx equal to m. Now if I call this a star, from star what is the value of m? From star what is the value of m? Look, y by x. So dy by dx is equal to y by x. Now I got answer in one step only. Look, always this type of equation represent pair of lines. One step will get answer. dy by dx equal to y upon x. Now, when you differentiate further, what happen? dy by dx equal to m, which is a constant. So as soon as you differentiate, what happen? d2y by dx square is 0. So look, your answer will come in one step. There is no need to do like this and this. It was a special sum, so I have given the special solution. But the trick that nobody knows, you have to remember. This represents a pair of line. So every equation is of the type y equal to mx. When you differentiate, dy by dx is equal to m. And m is nothing but y upon x. So you get the answer. And when you differentiate again, m being a constant slope, when you differentiate again, answer is 0. तो ये टाइप का इक्वेशन जब भी लिखा, dy by dx क्या आएगा? y upon x. और higher derivatives will be 0. 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 तो ये याद रखना है. Whenever you see this type of equation, sometimes the equations are like this: 3x square plus 18xy plus 15y square equal to 0. Then options will be given. dy by dx, dA, B option is this. Answer is always y upon x. And d2y by dx square is always 0. So whenever you see pair of line type equation, first derivative dy by dx is y upon x and d2y by dx square is 0. So this is the important concept to be remembered by everyone. Now the next type. This type of sum. This type of sum. 4 or 5 options are given. Look again, if I try to explain the solution, पूरा पेज भर जाएगा and you'll find you are sitting alone in the classroom. So this type of sum, how to get answer in 5 seconds. Number of sums. This is the general type. A constant. This type, right side is always a constant. F can be any function. F can be any function. Sin inverse, cos inverse, tan, कुछ भी. इसको सॉल्व करते जाओगे या आपके पास जो डाइजेस्ट वगैरह है उसमें पेज भर भर के सॉल्यूशन दिया है, वैसे नहीं करना है. एक स्टेप में आंसर आना चाहिए. तो ऐसा कोई भी सम है, एनी सम ऑफ दिस टाइप, dy by dx is always y upon x. और अभी आपने पिछले सम में देखा, अगर dy by dx y upon x है तो d2y by d स्क्वायर क्या आएगा 0. तो ऐसा कोई भी सम है, dy by dx is y upon x and d2y by dx square is 0. So this is the extraordinary shortcut for this type of sum. Obviously if I explain the whole solution it is very interesting, but we lag in time, so I am just giving you the shortcuts. Whenever you have this type of sum, dy by dx is y upon x and d2y by dx square is 0. First derivative is always y upon x and second derivative is 0. Next, the important type is this. ये टाइप के सम कम से कम 5-6 बार एमएसटी सीटी में आए. ये टाइप के सम m और n कैन बी एनी नंबर, बट राइट हैंड साइड हमेशा करेगा एडिशन. फॉर एग्जांपल x क्यूब बाई 4 इक्वल टू x प्लस वाई रेज टू 7. तो ये टाइप का कोई भी सम है, हमेशा dy बाई dx क्या आएगा y अपॉन x और d2y बाई dx स्क्वायर क्या आएगा हमेशा 0. ये याद रखना है, dy बाई dx जब भी y अपॉन x आएगा d2y by dx square is always 0. So this is very important type to be remembered. First type was the pair line equation. Then you have this type of equation. इसका आंसर y upon x आएगा and higher derivatives will be 0. Then you have this type of sum. Number of sums are there in textbook. इसका आंसर dy by dx y upon x and d2y by dx square is 0. Now the last type, which is very important, which came number of times in MSTCT as well as in boards. Look, this was a famous question which I always used to ask for my school students. Root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 up to infinity. Number of times. So the solution is like this. Whenever I ask this question to the students, they are not able to give the right answer. This type of expressions are very important for infinite circuits. So you have to remember. So let y equal to root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 up to infinity. Squaring on both sides. So when you do squaring, what happens? This outer square root will eliminate. So it is 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 up to infinity. Now, in this type of sum, always close the first term. Now look at this part and look at the sum. root 2 plus 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 root 2 up to infinity. Root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2 up to infinity. Look, same. So this whole underlying part become y. So you have y square equal to 2 plus y. Now this will give a quadratic equation and you will get answer directly. So y square minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Y minus 2, y plus 1 equal to 0. Y equal to 2, y equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is not acceptable, so answer is 2. So this type of sum comes in number of competitive exam in school part. But why I am revising this? Because there are number of sums of this type in your portion. So look, you have this type of sums. Y equal to root x, root x, root x, root x up to infinity. So we have to follow the same logic. What? Squaring on both sides. So y square equal to x plus root x, root x, root x up to infinity. Now look, underline part and this part are the same. तो ये पूरा पार्ट y बन जाएगा. Y square equal to x plus y. पर यहाँ पे हमको dy by dx चाहिए. So here you start differentiating. So 2y dy by dx. 1 plus dy by dx. So dy by dx common. 2y minus 1 is equal to 1. So dy by dx is 1 upon 2y minus 1. Now you will tell कि सर ये हमको आता है. But in exam you have to get answer in 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds. ध्यान से देखो, कुछ तो दिखेगा. वो कुछ तो दिखेगा is the logic. So when you look, ध्यान से देखो, कुछ तो दिखेगा. देखो ध्यान से, यहां पे भी 1 दिख रहा है. ये दिखा 1. This 1 is nothing but derivative of this function. So this is the shortcut here. So whenever you have this type of sum, root function, root function, root function, root function up to infinity, इसका आंसर हमेशा आता है f dash x upon 2y minus 1. So this is one step shortcut for this type of sum. Derivative of function upon 2y minus 1. One step shortcut. For example, suppose your sum is root tan x up to infinity. So what is the answer? Sec square x upon 2y minus 1. So एक step में answer आ जाएगा. So this is a absolutely very important type. Come number of times in MSTCT or expected for coming MSTCT. Root function, root function, root function up to infinity. तो आंसर क्या आएगा? डेरिवेटिव ऑफ द फंक्शन अपॉन 2y minus 1. तो ये शॉर्टकट आपको याद रखना है. ये शॉर्टकट आपको याद रखना है. अब और एक, then we'll stop and then I will teach you more extra shortcuts, but that will come in the next video. आपको लगता रहेगा इतने शॉर्टकट है? नहीं, ये सब तो कॉमन शॉर्टकट्स है. Unbelievable shortcut will come in the following videos. So now next you have this type of sums. X raised to x raised to x raised to x raised to x dot 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 up to infinity. Now the theory procedure. You have to take log on both sides, then power will come down, then differentiate, then this, and then you'll find you are sitting alone in the classroom. So look, this type of sum, the answer is always dy by dx is equal to y square this is the shortcut for this type of sum. But what is expected? ये वाला root function, root function, root function up to infinity. Root tan x up to infinity. The answer is sec square x upon 2y minus 1. Root sin x up to infinity. What is the answer? Cos x upon 2y minus 1. and this is the shortcut for this type of sum. Function raised to function up to infinity. Say function is x. So this is the shortcut of this type of sum. Okay, note down, and we will meet in the next lecture very soon. Okay, goodbye.